Hi, I'm Casey Stern-Smith.
And I'm Tess Salter. Welcome to 100 State Street in San Mateo.
Welcome to this contemporary, sunlit townhome centrally located with close proximity to downtown Burlingame. Downtown Burlingame enjoys amazing dining, shopping, and parks. This large corner unit is sunlit and enjoys 2 expansive bedrooms and 2.5 updated baths. The bright, open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and spacious living room with private yard and low-maintenance artificial lawn. The remodeled white kitchen includes a large quartz island with bar seating, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, amazing for holidays, gas cooktop, and ample cabinet storage. With wood floors downstairs and carpet upstairs, your toes will always feel at ease. Upstairs, you will also find that both baths have been beautifully updated. The secondary bedroom is perfect for a work-from-home situation. It has a built-in Murphy bed. With only one shared wall, you will feel as if you're in a single-family home. 100 State Street is in close proximity to Burlingame Avenue and the Burlingame train station. Walkable to restaurants, shopping, office buildings, parks, and Coyote Point. Thinking of buying or selling? You have but one phone call. The Stern-Smith Group. Your realtor matters. Experience the difference.